Hey, this is Matt Caswell from Multimedia Production Services. This series of videos is going to show you how to use the Zoom L8 USB audio mixer and how to use it with Adobe Audition. So let's get started. First off, we'll make sure that the mixer is already connected to the USB port, as we won't get power otherwise. The USB connection should never be disconnected anyway, but never hurts to check this first. Once connected by USB, power up the mixer. The power switch is on the back of the unit. The switch lines up with the master output on the console and needs to be powered on before launching Audition. Okay, so this is the mixer's power-up sequence. Wait to see the time code before launching Audition. Once you see the time code in the display, Audition should have no issue recognizing the mixer. The two microphones are connected to the mixer by XLR inputs in channels 1 and 2. You'll see in a minute that faders 1 and 2 are raised up for each respective mic. Mic 1 on fader 1, mic 2 on fader 2. Audio levels for each channel should never be peaking higher than unity gain, which is the 0 decibel mark. Ideally, audio shouldn't peak higher than -5 decibels, and audio levels can be raised in Audition if needed. Here are the channel input gain adjustment knobs. These should never be higher than the 2 o'clock position. The 2 o'clock position might be too high in some cases, so adjust until your audio is loud enough without distortion. Above the gain adjustment knobs is the phantom power switch, and this should never be turned on. Our mics don't need phantom power, and you can potentially ruin equipment by turning it on. Finally, we have the master output fader. This controls the final output levels of all mics used in the mixer. The fader should never be higher than 0, and the output level should only briefly peak no higher than -6 decibels. The headphone level adjust knob is on the left speaker and only adjusts the headphone volume. This does not affect the audio levels being recorded in Audition. Okay, well, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to your instructor, and more detailed instructions can be found in the Zoom L8 manual or in the Help menu section of Adobe Audition. If you have any further IT-related questions, please feel free to reach out to the Worcester State University IT Help Desk.